What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Gates. So for today's video guys, let's talk about factor rate and monthly add-on rate kapag nagpa-file tayo ng personal loan. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng factor rate and monthly add-on rate sa bank loans like BDO, BPI, East-West, China Bank, Metro Bank, PNB, sa lahat ng banks actually guys. Kasi kapag nag-file kayo ng loan, makikita nyo yung factor rate na sinasabi at saka yung monthly add-on rate. Ano nga ba yung purpose ng terms na yan doon? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ngayon guys, uunahin muna natin yung factor rate. Ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng factor rate sa mga bank loans like BDO, BPI, East-West, and others? A factor rate is a personal loan represents the total cost of the loan as a fixed decimal number, which is multiplied by the principal to get the total repayment amount. So when we say principal guys, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng principal loan amount? Ibig sabihin ng principal loan amount, guys, is kung magkano yung niloan ninyo. Halimbawa, 100,000. So, yung factor rate niya is 1. So, ngayon, 100,000 times 1. So, yung babayaran nyo is 100,000. Medyo malaki siya, pero hindi po ganun yung factor rate. Hindi umaabot ng ganun kalaki. Malaki masyado yung 1 na sinasabi. Kasi yung factor rate guys is 0.0. Tapos marami pa siyang number. Hindi siya whole number. Nagsisimula talaga yan sa 0.0. So ibig sabihin kapag mataas sa 0.0 like 0.1, medyo mataas yung factor rate na yun. At kailangan yung i-reconsider yung pag-file nyo ng personal loan. So malalaman nyo pa talaga. Unlike interest rates, which are expressed as a percentage and annualized. So, sa percentage kasi guys, di ba sa interest rates, merong sinasabi doon, okay, every month, ganito yung interest, 2%, 3%. Ito kasi si factor rate is expressed siya via decimal number. Ito kasing percentage via whole number na to. Kasi yung usapan dito is monthly, yearly, or sinasabi dito pa dito, annualized per annum. Factor rates are a one-time fee that applies to the entire loan. So, pag sinabing factor rate, guys, is isahan lang siya sa isang buong taon, something ganyan. Tapos, i-divide siya ngayon per month para makuha yung factor rate, which is, yun yung i-multiply sa principal loan amount para makuha ninyo yung repayment amount every month or yung monthly amortization. So, medyo naguguluhan kayo, no? Ganun din ako, naguluhan din ako. Mamaya magigets nyo to. Not the remaining balance. Factor rates are uncommon for typical personal loans, which usually use interest rates or APR. So, factor rates is hindi siya ganun gamit na gamit sa mga personal loans. Yung mga gumagamit na nito guys is yung mga matataas na banks like BDO, BPI, East-West, China Bank, Metro Bank, PNB, something ganyan. Pero sa mga like e-wallets, GCash, Maya, or C-Bank, hindi gumagamit ng factor rates. Kasi yung ginagamit nila doon is interest rates na talaga o yung sinasabing monthly add-on rate. But may be found in high-risk lending products like merchant, cash advances, or alternative short-term business financing. So, how does factor rates works, guys? Decimal expression. So, tulad ng sabi ko, expressed ito via decimal. Factor rates are expressed as a decimal, such as 1.20 or 1.35. So, tulad na sabi ko guys, kapag whole number na yan, medyo mataas yan kapag monthly yung usapan. Total cost calculation. To find the total repayment amount, you multiply the principal loan amount by the factor rate. Example is 1,000 US dollar loan with a factor rate of 1.3 rate means you will pay back a total of 1,300. 1,000 times 1.3 is equals to 1,300. Ganun yung factor rate na sinasabi dito. Entire loan nito guys, yung usapan dito. Ibig sabihin, itong 1.3 is buong loan na to. Meaning, kapag yung pag-uusapan is yung monthly repayment, tos 1.3 yung usapan, malaki yun. So ngayon, i-divide itong 1.3 and to halimbawa sa isang taon 1.3. So yung makukuha nyo dyan guys is 0.0 tapos mahaba pang mga numbers. Ganun siya. Tapos yung principal amount or kung magkano yung niloan ninyo, i-multiply nyo siya ngayon sa 0.0 tapos yung mga lumabas sa 1.3 divided by 12. Kasi 1.3 divided by 12. Yung result guys is 0.108. So medyo mataas yung example na to na binigay dito. Ngayon, sa video kasi guys is makikita nyo yung factor rate is 0.0 talaga. 0.01, 0 din maraming numbers. I-multiply nyo siya ngayon yung magkano yung niloan ninyo para makuha ninyo magiging monthly repayment ninyo. Then pangatlo is fixed fee. The factor rate is a fixed fee for the entire loan and does not compound or change as you make payment. So hindi siya nagbabago guys. Naka-fixed talaga siya. Not annualized. It represents the total cost of the loan, not an annual cost. So ganun yung ibig sabihin ng factor rate guys sa personal loans ninyo. Tandaan nyo guys na kapag yung factor rate within a month is mataas, like 1 point something, medyo off yung loan na yon. So kailangan nyo pag-isipan ulit. Then ngayon, let's move on to monthly add-on rate or AOR. A monthly add-on rate is a loan interest calculation method where the total interest for the loan is calculated upfront based on the original loan amount and added to the principal. So ano nga bibig sabihin nito guys? Like for example, sa 10,000 times 3% is 300. So halimbawa, yung ano nyo guys is 6 months natin. So 1,800 yung tutubuin ng 10,000 sa loob ng 6 na buwan. Tapos ngayon, i-add natin yung principal amount or yung loan amount na 10,000. So 11,800 yung magiging result niya. Tapos i-divide natin siya ngayon sa 6. So, yung magiging monthly payment nyo sa 10,000 pesos kasama interest kasi doon is 1,966. Yun yung babayaran nyo buwan-buwan sa loob ng 6 na buwan. Ganun yun, guys. Unlike simple or diminishing balance interest, where interest is charged on the decreasing principal, add-on rate payments remain constant, making the overall cost of the loan higher for the borrower. So how it works? Calculate the total interest. The total interest is calculated by multiplying the original loan, tulad ng binigay ko kayo ng example, by the loan term and add-on rate, add-on interest rate. Yung formula niya guys is total interest then equals loan amount times add-on rate, tulad ng sabi ko. Then ngayon, times loan term in years. Then determine the total repayment. Add the total interest to the original amount. Formula is total repayment equals loan amount plus total interest. Kung magkano yun. Then ngayon, calculate monthly payment na. Divide the total repayment amount by the number of months in the loan term to find your equal monthly payment. So yung formula niya guys is monthly payment equals total repayment divided by number of months. So itong total repayment na sinasabi is yung total ng interest rate sa loob kung ilang buwan nyo siya babayaran plus yung additional, yung principal loan amount. Pag dinivide ninyo guys kung ilang months nyo siya babayaran, makukuha ninyo yung magiging monthly amortization. So I think that's all for now. So na may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's Megan Joseph Kate that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!